In this video, I'll show you how to remove the password requirement from the App Store on your iPhone. So, if your phone asks for a password every time you try to install a new app, I'll show you how to turn this off and download apps without needing to enter it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down and select Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure this option is turned off. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap on your profile name at the top. Now tap on Media and Purchases, then select Password Settings. You may need to enter your Apple ID password to access this section. At the bottom, where it says Free Downloads, turn off Require Password. After that, tap the tick icon in the top right corner. Now go back to the main settings page again and scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Here, under Use Face ID for, make sure iTunes and App Store is turned off. Once you've done this, open the App Store, and you should now be able to download free apps without being asked for a password. Keep in mind that this will only work for free apps, as paid apps will still require a password.